Ladies and gentlemen, I have another satisfied customer here from winterizemyyacht.com. Mr. Tate, we just completed the winterization of his 24-foot Larson at his residence in Fort Washington, Maryland. Mr. Tate, can you share with the world your experience of winterizemyyacht.com and your service experience?
Yeah, not only can I share, but I can say that this is not based on one, not based on two, but I think now 9 years of service. The first thing that I'll say is that they're prompt in their responses, in getting back to you and letting you know what's going to go on and what to expect. Number two, the work that they've done has always been to the expectations that I have and to what they promised in the invoice and what we signed up for. Number three, they're a patient company, and while they've recommended a lot of other services that I have been slow in ascertaining, they continue to make the recommendations. They continue to fill those as they're needed, and I just think it's a great company to work with. So,
How was your whole experience with the process of winterizemyyacht.com?
Great, particularly this year, because I think this is the fastest response time ever over the last 8 or 9. I booked this 2 days ago, I think.
I think it was yesterday.
Or yesterday.
Yeah.
And here they are today, and I'm completed, and I've got this headache out of the way before Thanksgiving, so I'm pumped.
And would you say Kompletely Kustom Marine is a professional, reputable, reliable company you can call for service?
Yes, except for the young man that's shooting this video. No, I'm just kidding. Yes, they're fantastic, and I think that you'll find that they will meet your expectations.
Well, great. Well, we appreciate you as a customer, and we look forward to providing you service for years to come. Thank you very much.
See you in the spring.
Yes, sir.